Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. Now see friends, here we will discuss a couple of questions of exercise 20b. This is class 7, chapter 20, mensuration. Now friends, in the last video lecture we had solved questions till 14. Now see the next. We'll start here from question number 15. So question number 15 has two sub questions with the figures are given. First see this figure, look at closely, and this question number 15 says calculate the area of shaded region in each of the following given below. Figure this given as a uniform width of now second we have to find the area of shaded portion. Okay, now see friends, here friends the figure is given. Look at this is rectangular face friends. Now the name, look at the friends, we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay, that means friends this shaded portion is the above. This looks like the rectangle from here to here, or this is rectangular. Have a look friends, if you combine this friends, look at this is called the rectangular face. So the length of this face is given friends 24 meter. Okay, and now the breadth friends, this is breadth. So look at the friends, total length is given from here to here, this is 19. Okay, and we have to find this breadth friends. Okay, this breadth, so this breadth is what friends, this is 19 minus 16.5, because the length of here from here, this is 16.5. if we subtract 16.5 from 19, then we will get this length friends, this length. So this length is friends, this is 19 minus 16.5, so that is 2.5. okay, 2.5 meter. This length is 2.5, this is also 2.5. Now friends, in this shaded portion, this is a rectangular form, and the length of this rectangle is 24 meter and the breadth is 2.5 meter. So we can easily calculate the area of this portion. Now see this portion friends, look at this shaded portion. So from here to here, but this is the length. So length is friends, have a look, 16.5 meter. Okay, so this is 16.5 length and breadth is 4 meter is given. Now friends, required area of shaded portion, area of shaded portions friends, very simple. This is length, this is 24, multiply by friends breadth is 2.5, plus friends, this is length, this portion, this is 16.5, multiply by this is 4. Now calculate and we will get the answer. I hope friends you are getting. Now friends, here multiply 24 multiply by 2.5, this is 600, but here is the points friends, plus now 16.5 multiply by this is 4, this is 66.0. so after adding friends, this is point 126, so 126 meter square. This is answer this question. Now friends, question number 15 has the another given figure. Here we have to find the shaded portion of the figure number second. Okay, now see the figure number second. Now this is answer. Now see, now friends, figure number figure is the same, this is E. Okay, this is the shape of, this is E shape friends, and here we have to find the area of shaded portion. Okay, and now the given thing, this is 3 centimeter is here, this is 5 centimeter is here friends. Okay, now this is 3 centimeter is here, this is 3 centimeter. Okay, now here is the 12 centimeter, and this is also 12 centimeter. Okay, and this is friends A, this is B, C and D. Okay, this is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, this is also friends 3 centimeter. We have to find the area of friends this total sided portion. Okay, we have to find area of this sided portion. Friends, we wanted to make the rectangular shape of this shaded portion. Now we are going to join friend these 2 points. Okay, or either these points or either this, according to your convenience. Okay, now friends, here the length of this side friends, the length is, this is 15 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate the area of this shaded portion. Now see friends, have a look, this is total length. Suppose we consider the join friends, this we are going to join here. Have a look. Now friends, look at this portion friends, looks like the rectangular shape. Okay, so the length is known but the breadth is unknown friends. How we can find the breadth friends? Look at the total, here the total length is 12, and this is friend, have a look, this is 3, this is also friends 3 centimeter. So now friends, here the length 15 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter for this shaded portion. Okay, we can easily find out the area of this length into breadth. Now see the another friends, look at the friends, here the breadth is in this portion, breadth is given 3, but friends look at total length CD is 12 centimeter, but we have to find the length of here. Now the length of this friends, length of this is equal to 12 minus 3, because it is 3, 12 minus 3, this is 9 friends, this becomes 9 centimeter. Yes, you know. Okay, now see friends, here this is 5 and this is 3, so this is length is known and breadth is also known. Here friends, have a look, total this is 12 and this is 3 friends, because the breadth is 3, 12 minus 3 becomes friend, this is 9, so this is 9 centimeter and the breadth is given. We can easily find out the, because look at the friends, this is figure number 1, this is figure number 2, 3 and 4. So each figure, no friends, each figure is said to be the rectangular form, so we can easily find out the area of this shaded portion. Now see the area, this is the question number 15, second solution friends. Now area of shaded portions friends, figure area first plus area second friends plus area third plus area fourth. Now friends, first look at the first, length into breadth, length is friends 15, breadth friends, look at 3 centimeter, plus area second friends, area number second is, this is length is 9 centimeter and breadth is 3, so 9 multiplied by 3 friends, plus area of third friends, this is length 5 and breadth 3, 5 multiplied by 3. Now friends, area number 4, this is length is 9 and breadth is 3. Now we can calculate friends, here look 3 or common, take out the 3. Okay, bring 3 outside, this is 15 plus friends plus 9 plus this is 5 plus 9. Now add their values, friends. First add their values. Here 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 5 23, 23 plus 15 38. So now multiply, friends. (114 meter). See, friends. Now 140 meter is the answer this question. I hope, friends, you will be grasp, you will be get. Now see the next question. Question number. Now see, friends. Question number 16 says that we have to find the shaded portion. Now says all steps are 0.5 meter high and find the area of shaded portion, friends. Area of shaded portion. Now this is the shaded portion, friends. Have a look. Shaded portion. All these are shaded portion. We have to find the area of shaded portion. Now, friends, this looks like the stair, friends. So the and every stairs in the shape of rectangle. Okay. Now see, friends. Now we are going to observe from the bottom portion of a stair. Look at the friend. This looks like the rectangle. So the length is given 3.5, friends, and the breadth is 0.5. So we can find out the area, friends. Now its area is length into 3.5 into breadth 0.5. Now, friends, look at, see this area. What about this, friends? So the breadth is given, friends. Breadth is given because this is the height, and this height is the breadth for this rectangular shape. So this is 0.5 is the breadth, and now look at the friend's length from here to here. This is the length, friend. But how we can find out this length is, what about this length? Now look at the friends, here 0.5. This is 0.5, friends. This is also 0.5. Okay, here 0.5, here 0.5, means 0.5 plus 0.5 1. That means 1 is subtracted from this whole length, becomes, friends, the length. That means 3.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.5. Okay, it becomes 3.5 minus 0.1 plus 1. This is 2.5. So this is, here the length is 2.5. So the length is 2.5. Then, friends, area, friends, this length multiplied by this is breadth. Similarly, friends, this length is 2.5. Okay, now see, here 0.5, here also 0.5. Then we want this length, friends. So 2.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 becomes, friends, 1.5. Now see, friends, here 2.5 minus 0.5, 0.5. So this becomes 2.5 minus 1. So this is 1.5. So this is 1.5. This is length, and now breadth is 0.5. Now see, friends, look at this 1.5. The length is here, friends, 0.5, 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.5 1. 1 is subtracted from 1.5 becomes 0.5. So this is 0.5. So this looks like this is the square, friends. Now the side of a square is 0.5. Now area is 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. Now we add all the values, all the areas. Now, friends, required area, required shaded portion, required shaded portions area. Area is equal to, friends, this is 3.5 multiplied by 0.5 plus 2.5 multiplied by 0.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.5 plus 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. Now see, friends, 0.5 common, take the common, and 3.5 as it is plus 2.5 as it is plus 1.5 as it is plus 0.5 as it is. ये बाहर निकल गया. Now 0.5 as it is. Now add, friends, this is 8, this is 40, here 0, this is 4 meter square. So this is answer. I hope you will get understand. Now see. Now, friends, see, we will discuss the furthermore about exercise 20C. Okay, in order to solve the exercise 20C, before we will see and we will have to understand about the some two important formulae. That is the first formula is, friends, the area of parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. So this is brief form. This is parallelogram, friends. The writing of this style is parallelogram is, friends, base into height. So base into height. Now see, friends, this is parallelogram. Have a look. Okay, friends. So this is height, friends, and this is base. Okay. Now the second one is, friends, area of rhombus. So area of rhombus, friends, half product of diagonals. Now, friends, half product into diagonal. Now see, friends, rhombus. This is the figure of rhombus, friends. You made the, so this is diagonal, suppose D1, and this is D2. Now the area, friends, half D1 into D2. Okay, square unit. Now, friends, we will solve, friends, the examples questions after remembering this formula also. Now here the only examples question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The only 5 questions, and see and try to solve the sums of examples problems. Okay, if you have any doubt, confusion, ask me and we will appear, friends, the live class as 9:30 9:30 में कल सुबह, फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग फिर से लाइव आएंगे. सो प्लीज़ ज्वाइन एज मच एज यू. जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, फ्रेंड्स. ओनली फॉर डॉट सेशन. दिस क्लास विल बी ओनली फॉर डॉट सेशन. Clear the dot questions. Okay, your homework, question number exercise 20B, question number 15, 16 and some exercise 26, 20C formulae. Okay, and some examples. Okay, have a nice day.